All right, in 441, we're going to look at now we found out that cholesterol blocks the blood vessels. So what can we do to fix that? So we're going to look at three different procedures that you can use to fix those blocked blood vessels. And the procedures are here. We're going to look at coronary bypass, heart stenting, and angioplasty, but we're also going to look at angiograms also. So the first thing you're going to do is look at an angiogram, which is a picture of the blood vessels. And you're going to look at ANAs and see what's wrong. And then you're going to research angioplasty, stenting, and coronary bypass to figure out what these procedures are and which one would be best for ANA. The reason why we're doing this is because when the heart gets blocked, especially the coronary artery, the one that feeds the heart, it will cause a heart attack because there's lack of oxygen going to the heart. And so what we're doing is trying to prevent the heart attack or heart disease. So heart disease can occur due to various functions or factors. You can get an infection, like a bacterial infection that destroys the heart tissue. You can get a congenital heart defect. That means you're born with this defect. So like a heart murmur, your valve isn't working correctly. Maybe there's something wrong with your SA node. So all those. You got your heart rhythm problems. So all the stuff we looked at with the EKG. So if you're the P wave, skipping a beat, all that stuff. And then there's also blood vessel problems, and those lead to high blood pressure and also lack of oxygen to the heart if it's in the coronary artery. So we're going to focus on these last ones here. The atherosclerosis, where there's buildup of fatty tissue on the blood vessels so the blood can't flow as well. And you're going to figure out what those solutions are to those and describe the differences. All right, so again, we'll focus on the blood vessels that happens when oxygen is not delivered to the tissues, and then research and model three. Well, you're only going to model one, but you're going to research the three ways and model one of the ways to fix those blood vessels.